Hi Datta, good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
So how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
So
What
how
about you,
was
sir?
your day? I'm also good. So how was your day?
Very nice, sir.
Okay. So Datta, we as the ultimate coders inviting you for your third round of mock interview. Okay, so let's start.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So make comfortable yourself. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sure, sir.
Yes. Okay. So let's start. So Datta, can you just tell me about yourself?
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Datta Paghale. I'm from Latur of Maharashtra state. I did my graduation in electrical engineering in 2014 for Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon. Uh, in end of the 2019, I have started my career in IT industry, uh, and from that I have been working on different technologies like HTML5, um, then JavaScript, CSS3, TypeScript, Angular, etc. And I have experience of 1 year on working on HTML5 and CSS3, and 1 year of experience on Angular. So that's it, sir.
Okay. So Datta, can you just tell me about your weakness?
Uh,
Yes.
yes, sir. There is no such a special weakness that will affect on my work, but it is a weakness related to my personal life. That is, sometimes um, I bite my nails
Okay.
while doing work and when stuck in something.
Okay. And what are your strengths?
The greatest, one of the greatest strengths of my personality is that um I'm honest with my work and dedicate my full time to the given work to me. Um Also, I'm a good team player and a quick learner also. So these are the main greatest strong strength for me.
And why you are leaving your current organization?
Actually, from last 3 months, I have not given any project work, and I'm stayed idly for 3 months. And I think it is not better for me because one have to be update with the new things, and it should be under the working. So I want to update my knowledge, my skills. So that's why I'm thinking to switch this current job.
And what is your expected salary?
Uh, that's, Specifically or basically, I prefer the first option to my work, and always I keep the salary option as a secondary point. So I have searched for your company. You have a very good team, having the um, very good skills. Um, so according to your norms, you can suggest the salary as mentioned your company's norms. So I will be satisfied with that.
So Datta, why should we hire you?
Uh, I worked for 2 years on uh, the web development. That is, I worked 1 year as a UI developer, and also I have worked for 1 year on Angular. So I think I am a skillful person, and I may be directly a asset for your company. So it will be beneficial for your company to complete the valuable projects with your team. So I think your company may hire me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Datta. So we'll start with the technical round because I think you are good in a personal interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll see how are means how good you are in a technical. Okay. Okay.
Super,
So
sir.
Datta, what is JavaScript?
JavaScript is world's most popular programming language, and JavaScript is a well interpreted language. It is a object oriented language, and JavaScript is used for making the dynamic web applications, static websites, and mobile applications also.
And what is DOM?
DOM is the document object model. When the page or document renders on the browser engine converts all the HTML elements into object form, and that structure is known as a document object model. Actually, this structure is in the form of hierarchical form, that is a parent-child form. So this structure is known as a document object model.
Okay. And what is the difference between map and filter?
Map and filter are the higher order functions, and these the filter method we use for filtering something. Suppose I have an array of different things, and if you want to filter or sort out some things which are different from other elements. So when we want to filter such different elements, at that time we use the filter method. And when we want to do some operation on each and every element of an array, so at that time we use map, which is a higher order function.
Okay, so as you said, these are the higher order functions, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So do you know what is map?
Yes, sir. It is also a higher order function.
Yes. Uh, okay. No, means I'm asking you, uh, what filter will
General
return?
map. Um, Filter returns a new array in which uh, we we filter specific elements from an array
Yes. And what
by
map
using
will
some
return?
conditions.
There is one
Map
difference.
also, yes, sir. A map also return in new array,
Yes.
and in which we have done some operations on each and every element.
Yes.
And we can also say that the length of the given array is the same as that of the length of new array written by the map
Yes.
method.
Yes. This I
But
want to
in
know.
yes,
This.
sir.
Yes. But in filter, it will reduce the array, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Filter the array. Okay. So, okay. So what is the difference between for each and for in?
I know for each, sir. I don't have idea about the foreign. For each also works like a map method, sir. For each also used to do some operations on each and every element of an array.
Okay. And if I want to find an element in a object, So what I will do means I will share you an object.
Uh,
Okay.
yes,
Hello.
sure.
Yes. One
Yes,
minute.
sir.
I will share you one object. So just tell me that how we find a specific value in that. Okay.
Yes.
I'm sharing it in a I have shared you one object.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it is a array of object. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Copy it and paste it in notepad or somewhere.
So, have you sent me in chat box, sir?
Yes, I have sent in inventors array. I have sent you.
Um, Still not got that array.
I will share you
Yes, sir.
inventors array.
Please share on that another account of laptop.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Okay, did you got the array?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So take this array, okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
what you want to do is filter the array by you means by the birth date. Okay,
Yes, sir. So,
means who was born in 1500 to 1599 in that.
yes, sir.
Yes,
So, may I
100
share it
years.
screen, sir?
Yes. Share your screen, Datta.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes. So I want an array which is means which contains only the inventors who born in 1500s to 1599. Okay, in this
Yes,
year.
sir.
Yes. I have shared you the question also.
Yes, sir.
I think you didn't comment the hello, the first line. Remove that line. Yes, okay. So you got the objects.
Yes,
So
sir.
I want the names,
Yes,
first
sir.
name and last name. I want just the names
Yes,
like
sir.
Jonas Calper and Galileo
Yes,
Galilei.
yes, sir.
I don't want the object.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Okay,
Mm.
so next, you can stop your spin.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is a filter, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So if I want to reverse a string, okay, so
Okay.
how I will do that?
Yes, sir. We can reverse the string.
Hmm.
Uh, so firstly, we will split that string in each and every character or letter, and after
Yes.
that we will use the reverse method.
Yes, correct. Okay. So
Yes.
what now I want is you take one array of
Yes, sir.
elements like numbers 40, 50, 30 like that, and I want that array in order, in a sorted order.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So how will you do that? Did you did any time?
Yes, sir. We will
Okay.
use the sort method, and
Okay.
uh, we will compare the
Okay.
two
Take a
parameters.
string. No.
Yes, sir.
Take the strings. Okay, like names, and do the sorting by like our ABCD. Okay. Did you means anytime did you did that?
Yes, sir. I have reversed the string and also
No, no.
reversed the
Means
sorting.
sorting by using alphabets.
Uh,
Means you take the names, take one array.
yes, sir.
Here only take one array. Let names. Okay. In that take your name means take 4 5 names. Names comes in a string. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sorry, sir. Sir, how many elements should be there? Is it
Yes.
sufficient or
Take one. Yes. Take any name. Take any name. Take my name there. Okay. Now I want this in a descending order. Like R will be the last character in alphabetical order. If you will see, A is the first character, correct? B is the second. So I
sir?
want Rushi is the first, then ABC, then the Def and Datta. Okay. So how will you
Yes,
do
sir.
this order?
Reverse method, sir.
You can try. But if you do reverse method, okay, and I will take inside the name Gajanan
Yes,
and
sir.
two, three more names, or take first name as a Gajanan before ABC. Now, if you do reverse also, the Gajanan will go last, correct?
Yes, sir.
So I want a sorted array, correct?
Yes, sir.
But in descending order by alphabetical order. You can try.
So here capital letters will come first. And after that, all the strings will be arranged by alphabetical order. Hello, sir.
Sorry, I was on mute. So here R should come first, no? Because after G, R will come. Correct?
But this sort method arranges all the strings firstly according to the capital letters, and after that it will arrange according to the alphabetical order.
Take G and R also in small letter.
Now it will arrange all the elements according to alphabetical order.
But we want it in a descending order. This is the ascending order, no?
Yes, sir.
A, B, C, D. We want reverse, means like what? From Z it will start. Z, Y. So first will come Rishi.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Inside that sort method, use -1. -1 is not working. So what you will do?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So next,
Yes.
what I want is, so what is debouncing?
May you please repeat, sir?
What is debouncing?
No, sir. I don't know about that.
Okay. So what is reduce method?
Reduce is a higher order function, and uh, we use the in a reduce method we use the two parameters. First parameter of that reduce method points to the first element of the array, and second parameter will points to each and every element of that array. So if you want to take the summation of all the numbers present in an array, so we can
Means it will reduce the array. Correct?
yes, sir, yes, some reduced outputs will be got from that
Yes.
method.
In a single value.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So Ravi sir, do you have any questions?
No, I don't have a question.
Okay. So Datta, what
Yes,
is a
sir.
first class function?
the functions which can be stored as values are known as first order functions.
Okay.
Sorry,
And
first class functions.
do you know this keyword?
Yes, sir. This keywords points to the closest parent object.
Yes, but where we won't use this keyword?
We cannot use this keyword in the methods of object.
Why?
Sorry, sir. I don't remember the reason. But in that case, we can't use this.
Okay. What happens when we use this keyword in arrow function?
Sorry, sir.
So what is a closure?
Uh,
You can stop your screen.
Closure is yes, yes, sir. We can say closure is a function which creates the lexical scope. It means it creates the parent scope.
Firstly,
Suppose
tell me what is lexical scope. Then you
uh,
can explain closures.
yes, if a function returns another function inside it, so inner function creates the parent scope. It means that this inner function access all the data available in the scope of the parent, and that parent scope is known as lexical scope.
Can I say that if I declare a variable in a window scope and I'm using it in a function, so is a means a lexical scope?
May please repeat the question, sir?
Yes. So I am declaring a variable in a window scope and
Yes,
I
sir.
am using it in a function. So we can access
Yes,
that
sir.
in the function, correct?
Surely, sir.
So can I call it as a lexical scope?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Because every variable declared in a window scope, that is global scope, is simple accessible in any function or any block scope.
Okay.
So
are you?
window scope is the parent scope. Window
But
is the
are you
parent.
sure?
Yes, sir. Sure.
100%. I think you are wrong. Hello.
According to my information,
Means
window
did
here
you
is
means read anywhere?
because when we use this keyword in the window, so that this keyword points to the window as its parent object, and here also it is using the variables of parent scope. So I think according to my knowledge,
This
it is
is
a
different, no? Keep this beside. Just tell me that I have asked you that if I use a variable in a window scope,
yes, yes,
it
sir.
is used in a functional scope, correct? Can I call
Yes,
it
sir.
as a lexical scope? And you said yes, and I think this is wrong. Did you read anywhere this,
Yes, sir. It is
or you are
acting
saying
like
just by your
reversing.
knowledge?
No, yes, sir. I think it is a reverse process because a variable declared in the window scope, uh, giving the variable to the function scope, it means it is variable going from parent to child. So in this way, lexical scope, there is confusion because lexical scope, no,
So
sir.
what is
There is
your last answer? Is it a lexical scope or not?
only data. I'm not sure, sir.
So it is a lexical scope.
Okay.
Okay. you are means you are not sticking to the answer.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So what is pure function?
Um, a function which is said to be a pure function um, uh, when that function returns the same output for same inputs, that is arguments, and the another condition is it should not depend on any external declaration or factors, and that function should return something. If these three conditions are satisfied with any function, so that function can be called as pure function.
Okay. And in how many ways you can create an object?
We can create object. Uh, there is a literal object literal method, then object constructor method.
What is
Also,
the
we can
difference?
in constructor object, we use the new keyword. By using the new keyword, we can create the multiple objects. Also, there is another way, that is a factory function. By using a factory function, also we can create multiple objects.
Okay. So what is where?
Where is the keyword to declare the variables.
Okay. And what is the difference between where, let, and const?
Yes, sir. So let and constants are the keywords which are included in the ES6, and where, let, and constants are all these three keywords are used for declaring the variables. Uh, as we consider the hoisting, in case of where, the hoisting is possible, but the value of that variable we will get as undefined. In case of let, hoisting of let is also possible, but we cannot.
Just tell me the 4 points in which they are different.
Yes, sir. In hoisting also they are different, sir.
Okay. First is hoisting.
Yes, sir. Another about the declaration and reassignment. So by using the where keyword, we can declare as well as reassign the variable. In case of let, we cannot redeclare the variable by using let, but we can reassign the value. In case of constant, uh, if we use the keyword constant, we can neither redeclare or reassign the value to the variable.
Yes, correct. So,
And one thing about the scope, sir. Where
yes,
keyword
I know
cannot
you know the answer. Okay, so I will ask another one.
Okay.
Yes. So tell me, is empty string is a truthy value or falsy value? Do you know
Yep.
truthy values and falsy values?
Boolean data type, sir.
No. Truthy values means like in if condition, if we use true, it will execute the if condition.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so true is a truthy value.
Yes, sir.
False, undefined, null. These are the falsy values. So if your answer is undefined in the if block, if condition, so what will happen? Your if condition will execute or not?
No, sir.
Yes. So like that is empty string is a truthy value or falsy value?
False value, sir. Because
Why? Did
it
you
is
use the anytime?
no, sir. But empty string gives the I think null value.
No, empty string will not give the null value. Empty string means you are opening and means just opening and closing the quotes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. It is just a empty string. So is it truthy value or falsy value?
So maybe check it, sir.
What?
Maybe check it the value of empty string.
Means I didn't got you.
Yes, sir. Okay, 1 minute.
Means you will check.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can check after the interview. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So Datta. Okay. So we are done with your technical round. So do
Yes.
you have any questions for me?
No, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So bye. Let's
Bye.
meet in the
Have,
second interview, next
yes,
interview.
sir.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Yes.